Welcome to Tire Tattoo. This is car door edge guard, and as name suggests, it protects car door edge during door opening. Its design is inspired with flat colors. Thickness of door guard is 5 mm. Its design has unique extra protection lip that projects outside of car door and gives 100% protection. It comes with 3M tape considering pasting strength. In this view, extra protection lip can be clearly seen. It doesn't have tape. To install door guard, remove release paper. Position door guard from top side such that protection lip stays outside door edge. Similarly, position from bottom side. Once door guard positioned correctly from upside and bottom side, press it firmly. Door guard installed properly and extra protection lip can be clearly seen outside door edge. And here you can see clearly how it protects door edge from damage. Install similarly for all doors. Thank you.